Hi guys, 大家好. I'm cooking some pork belly today, braised pork belly to be exact, 紅燒豬腩肉. To start, we need to scorch the pork belly in a hot wok. If you don't have a wok, a cast iron skillet would work too. The reason we are doing this is to remove any remaining hair on the skin and to remove the gaminess from it. After scorching, we need to scrape off the burnt bits. To blanch the meat, put them in a bowl of cold water, add a few pieces of ginger, 1 stalk of scallion, and 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine. Cook them in high heat. When it starts boiling, turn it to low heat and start skimming the impurities coming out from the meat. Bring the meat to wash again and we can start cutting them into bite-sized pieces. Because there are layers of fat at the pork belly, so we should render out some of the fat first. In a hot wok, add some oil and start putting the pork belly in. Cook them until all sides are golden. Remove them from the wok. Since there's not an excessive amount of oil I've got from the pork, so I'm cooking my flavoring component directly in it. Start by frying some shallots, onions, and garlic until fragrant. Then add in your bay leaf, star anise, cinnamon stick, and dry chili. Remove everything from the wok until the dry spice has released its aroma. After preparation of the flavoring, it's now time for coloring. Turn to medium heat in the same wok. Add some oil, add some rock sugar. We are basically making caramel here. I have sped up the video, but you can still see rock sugar start crumbling and start turning brown and all melted. But when it starts bubbling, add some boiling water. No room temp, no tap, boiling water. And you need to move fast, because once you add water in the hot wok, there's steam and you need to move your hand away immediately or you'll get burned. And there you go, here's the coloring. In a ceramic stew pot, turn to low heat, slowly warming up the pot. Put some ginger and scallion at the bottom, and add your pork and the onions and dry spices that we have prepared before. And we are going to season some salt, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce. We are adding beer instead of water. Beer gives a malty and nutty flavor to the whole stew. And last but not least, our coloring. I'll have all the ingredient list in the end of the video. When it comes to a boil, turn down to low heat and let it simmer. After the first 1 hour of simmering, remove those dry spices or it will taste bitter. Now, take a look at what it looks like after 4 hours of simmering. Look at the color of the pork and how gelatinous of the pork belly. They look like some jelly cube. Can't wait to put them in my mouth.